How to send money from Cash App to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Cash App. After that, click on the profile section at the top right hand side corner and scroll down. Here you will be able to find the option of linked banks. Just click on it. Then click on link debit card. Now provide the debit card details, and this way you would be able to send money from Cash App to your bank account. In case if you want to provide the bank details and not the card details, then just simply click on this option of no card. Wait for it to load. Now click on this option of continue, and it might take a while. Wait for it. Now select your bank over here in this list, or simply search for your bank in the institutions. Suppose you want to deposit in Bank of America, then just simply select it and wait for it to load. Now it will ask you to log in. Make sure that you use the credentials of your bank in order to log into your bank account. This way you would be able to link your bank account with Cash App, and after that you will be able to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account using the cash out option. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.